Subscribe to Share Market Guruji channel. It's absolutely free. Also press the bell icon so that you never miss a video from this channel. The markets have fallen very heavily in the past few trading sessions, and the smartest thing to do would be start accumulating stocks that have a huge potential to become multi-baggers in future. Hello friends, welcome to Share Market Guruji. The stock we'll talk about in this video has very strong fundamentals and a great chart structure. If you are interested in more such calls, let me know by pressing the like button. So the stock we'll discuss about today is Jain Irrigation Systems Limited. The stock is priced at 118 rupees and has hit a 52-week high of around 124 rupees recently. The stock has a fair dividend payout ratio. It also has a very strong order book and has received a lot of attractive orders in the past few months. The company has a debt of around 1100 crores against a net worth of around 4500 crores. So that's pretty fair. Okay, one second, let me plug in the charger. We have a lot of FIs holding the stock. Recently the promoters have sold some shares, but that again has been picked up by the public shareholders, that is the FIs and the DIs. Now let's move on and try to understand what business is the company engaged into. Jain Irrigation operates in diversified market segments. It's into manufacturing and exports of high-tech agricultural input. It is one of India's largest producer of plastic piping and products. Also, it's actively engaged in agro-processing and renewable sources of energy. If you look at the economic trends, it's a no-brainer that the rural consumption theme is slowly picking up. There might be many reasons for this, but the bottom line is that lately there has been a lot of traction in the rural space. And this trend is expected to continue over the next few quarters. And Jain Irrigation is immensely focused on the rural space. Being the market leader in the space, especially in terms of technology, Jain Irrigation is sure to catch up with the momentum once this space comes into the limelight. Not only that, it is also engaged into post-sale services and provides all the necessary technical supports needed for better crop system and harvesting. So it's basically a one-stop shop for all agricultural needs and essentially the market leader in its segment. And the management has also been aggressively expanding its business around the globe. Now let us look at the technical aspect. Okay, coming back to its global reach, it has offices in USA, UK, Turkey, Peru, Spain, Italy, Mexico, Israel, Australia, Romania, France, Brazil and Dubai. Now moving on to the monthly charts for Jain Irrigation. The stock has a great chart structure. Also look at the volume accumulation the stock has been receiving over the last few years. The base building formation is in the form of a rounded bottom. Look at the line marked. And the stock has been breaking out of the entire consolidation. Although this stock has the potential to more than double itself from current levels, but we'll look at a conservative target of around 180, that is the previous congestion zone. As I told you, when you are analyzing for a long-term perspective or even for a medium-term perspective, you need to have a look at 3 time frames. So we'll move down to the weekly charts now. The stock had been suffering some resistance at 110-112 levels, which it broke out recently with good volumes. It has a higher top higher bottom structure and has witnessed a very good rally. So it's technically strong even in the weekly charts. Moving on to the daily charts. The stock is off 5% from its recent 52 weeks high of around 124 rupees. In this falling market, it's time we start accumulating the stock on dips near 100 to 112 zones for initial targets of rupees 180. Once the stock reaches those targets, we again need to revisit the charts and comment on further targets. There might be a few parameters which I might have missed explaining in this video, but stay assured I have analyzed them all, and as a disclaimer, I myself hold Jain Irrigation in my portfolio. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments below. Even if you have hundreds of questions, I'll happily answer them all. All you need to do is just post them in the comments below. Let's wind up this video now. Stay tuned to Share Market Guruji for more videos regarding share markets.